Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install Kali Linux in a VirtualBox. First thing we do is download VirtualBox from this link website here. Select Windows host and download it. Second thing is you download Kali Linux. You go to this link, this website, and you can use the ready-made virtual machines which I'm using over here. So I click on Offensive Security VM download page and I scroll down and I click on this one to download. So you can download this directly or use the torrent. I use the torrent. So I click on the torrent to download the torrent file, and this is what I get. Then I open this torrent file in my BitTorrent client and I downloaded it using the BitTorrent protocol. So now it is downloading. So meanwhile, I go back to my downloaded VirtualBox installer and I will install this first. So I double click to start the installation of VirtualBox. Just click on the next button and click on next. Take note of the location of the installation and no need to uncheck anything, just click next. Click yes. It says it will disconnect you temporarily from the network, so we'll wait for the BitTorrent to finish first, otherwise we will lose connection. Now the BitTorrent has finished in downloading the Kali Linux virtual machine. We can continue with our installation of VirtualBox. Click yes and then click on install. Take note that before you can install Oracle Virtual Machine, you have to enable virtualization in your BIOS settings first. So let's wait for it to finish. And it has finished the installation already. So now you click on finish and it will start. If you don't want it to start yet, you can uncheck this. So I'll uncheck it and click finish. So now I'm going to go to the download folder for Kali Linux and open the directory where it has been downloaded to. And this is my Kali Linux virtual machine OVA extension. So I will just copy both of these, or maybe I'll copy the whole thing. I will go up to the parent directory and copy the whole folder. I will cut the whole folder and then go to a new location in my C drive and I will create a new folder. So click on new folder and then call it Kali Linux. And inside here, I will paste the virtual machine. Right, so now that is done, I can go and launch my VirtualBox. So my VirtualBox should be here. I just double click to launch it. And this is my VirtualBox. Notice I already got 3 virtual machines from my previous work, but I'm going to create a new one. So a new one, you can import the virtual machine. So import appliance and local file system, look for the OVA file. Go to Kali in the C drive and open this and click on it, open, and then click on next, and then here nothing to change. You will use the NAT protocol to share your internet from the host machine, and then click on import, click agree, and the import has begun. Alright, it has finished importing. It took some time, probably around 30 minutes to an hour to import. Now you can start it. So now it's powered off and you can start it. Before you start, let's check the machine settings. So you can go to settings here, select machines and settings, and check the network. Make sure it's enabled so that you can access the internet. Click OK. Click on start and the machine should start up. So when you see this, it's booting. Now you can log in. Let us try a different password. Kali, password also Kali. So the login is Kali, the password is also Kali. Okay, so now you can view full screen mode. And there you have it. This is the full screen. So you successfully installed. Now let's see if we can go to the internet. Look for your browser, Firefox. There you go. Yes, so Firefox has opened up. Let's go to the internet. Yes, so the internet is also working. So we have successfully installed this Kali on the virtual machine by importing the OVA file. To shut down the server, all you need to do is click on this button here, log out, and then click on shutdown. That's it. Thank you for watching.